Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking your outdoor space from ordinary to extraordinary by transforming it into a lush, green retreat. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious deck, we're diving into how you can create your very own private garden that's accessible 24/7. Ready to get started? Let's go! To turn your balcony or deck into a green oasis, incorporating the right furniture and accessories is key. Here are 5 must-have items that will help you build a beautiful, functional green space. First up, let's talk about vertical gardens. These are perfect for maximizing space and adding greenery without taking up valuable floor area. You can use wall-mounted planters, trellises, or even DIY hanging pockets to grow climbing plants or cascading herbs. Vertical gardens not only save space, but also create a stunning, lush backdrop for your outdoor retreat. Next, consider using eco-friendly planters. Opt for ones made from recycled materials, such as reclaimed wood, metal cans, or even biodegradable pots. These planters are not only stylish, but also help reduce waste and support a sustainable lifestyle. Plus, they're perfect for housing a variety of plants, from vibrant flowers to fresh herbs. To enjoy your green space, you'll need some comfortable seating. Choose eco-friendly furniture made from sustainable materials like bamboo or recycled plastic. Add cushions and throws made from organic cotton or recycled fabrics for added comfort and style. A cozy seating area will make your balcony the perfect spot for relaxing with a book or sipping your morning coffee. For added privacy and a touch of elegance, consider installing sheet curtains. These lightweight, flowing curtains can be hung around your balcony to create a more intimate and cozy environment. They're perfect for shielding your space from the sun or creating a soft, serene backdrop that enhances your green retreat. To complete your green oasis, add artificial grass to your floor. It's a fantastic way to create a lush, grassy feel without the hassle of maintenance. Artificial grass is durable, easy to clean, and provides a soft, comfortable surface for walking or lounging. It instantly adds a touch of nature and enhances the overall ambiance of your outdoor space. With these 5 key elements, you can easily transform your balcony or deck into a private garden that you can enjoy day and night. From vertical gardens to artificial grass, each piece plays a role in creating a serene green retreat right outside your door. Thanks for joining us on this garden transformation journey. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more home and garden inspiration. See you next time.